welcome back to my channel. Today we have Petit Vour for the month of September, but instead of one box I have two boxes. See, right here. So one box is $18 a month, the other box is $25 a month. I really got both of them just because I wanted to compare how much of a difference $7 is in a box. I have no idea if I'm going to keep getting both boxes or if I'm going to pick one over the other. Don't know, because this is my first one. So let's go ahead and get into the $18 a month box. Okay, so this is what the inside of the $18 a month box looks like. You've got the card here with the theme, which is clearly animal print, and then on the back, of course, it has the list of items with the price. Usually it's a mix of full size and sample size. As I pull out each item out of the box, I will show a price of the item, and if it is sample size, I'll have the regular price as well as the sample price. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the very first thing we got here is Skin Owl Marquise Berry Drops, and that's what it looks like. I am not opening this yet because I am currently using some face oil, but this is supposed to retail for $21. It says it works to improve radiance and clean congested skin, improve skin tone and texture, and hydrate thirsty skin thanks to argan oil, organic tangerine oil, vanilla extract, and marquise berry extract. Okay, so that actually all sounds really good. That sounds like it's going to be a beautiful combination, and I am super excited about it. That is a really decent amount, so happy about that. Next thing we got is Detox Exfoliating Scrub from Seaweed Bath Co. And this size is supposed to retail for $4. It says it is made with fine walnut shells, gently exfoliate skin to help remove dead skin and rough patches, while mineral-rich French clay helps to purify skin and wash away toxins and impurities. Okay, now I have tried some stuff from this brand before. It is a good brand, so I am excited to be trying something else from it. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Elite Cosmetics Essential Mascara, and this retails for $28. It says, created for sensitive eyes to be water and sweat resistant, this mascara plumps and lengthens your lashes so you'll be ready for all day wear. Okay, again, I'm not opening this yet because I'm trying to use up some of my other black mascara, but I am really excited about this. It has a 12-month used date, and this is actually made in Canada. The last thing in this box is Owl and a Towel Bergamot Hand Sanitizer, and this is $6. And this is a period of time when we can never have too much hand sanitizer, so thrilled about that. It says this natural hand sanitizer kills 99% of bacteria and germs without the artificial fragrance, colors, and chemicals of other sanitizers. So I am going to open this because it's sanitizer and I'm clearly going to be using this up soon. So let me smell. This smells really nice. I love the smell of bergamot anyways. If you're not familiar with what bergamot smells like, it smells like a citrus. So to me, it has kind of a lemon smell to it. But I really enjoy that scent and very excited about that. So in the $18 box, this is what we got. We got face oil, body scrub, mascara, and hand sanitizer. So we are moving on to the bigger one, the $25 a month one, and of course, again, this is the inside. and the theme. So the card does look different. Okay, the first thing we got is another product from Seaweed Bath Company. This is Firming Detox Cream with green coffee bean extract. Let's see what the price of this is. This is $4 for this bottle right here. It says this detoxifying cream is a rich with skin plumping coffee, green tea extract, and moisturizing hyaluronic acid. So those are things that your aging skin will love. Next thing we got here is Blemish Clearing Serum. Reduces breakouts, unclogged pores, and even skin tone with this powerful serum packed with natural acids. Now this retails for $15. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or not. My face normally doesn't get a lot of blemishes. I don't know. I'll think about this one because I might just stick this one in the giveaway because I'm not sure that this is something I'll use a lot of. So putting that aside. The next thing we have is Ocea Atmosphere Protection Cream right here. And this retails for $48. It says shield your skin from the elements and pollution with this lightweight daily moisturizer that doubles as a primer for makeup. Now, I have used this before, and this is supposed to be good for all skin types, but my skin did not react well to it. Now, I did let another friend try it to see if she had a reaction to it. She did not, so for whatever reason, it didn't agree with my skin. I will not be using it because I already know this does it just doesn't do well on my skin. So I will be putting this into a giveaway, so hopefully somebody else can enjoy it. Okay, the next thing we have here is Andalou Naturals Citrus Sunflower Shower Gel, and this is $3. Rose hip and argan oils with a boost of coconut water and aloe vera combined to cleanse and hydrate skin. Now, I did receive one of these recently, and if you already know, I don't really use shower gels very much. So, not super excited about that, but I mean, it's not bad. I've tried it before, and it does work really, really well. The next item we have here is Blasima Refined Clay Renewal Mask for $10. This is a very, very small container. It says it draws out impurities, refines skin texture, improves hydration while treating and preventing breakouts. Now, because I don't break out a lot, usually when I get small clay mask like this, I'll just use this as a spot treatment and it works great for my skin. So that is what I'm going to do with that because that works best for me. The last item in here is EIR NYC Active Face Wash for $20. That is what that looks like. Made with African black soap, this cleanser revives skin by exfoliating, minimizing scarring, and bringing breakouts to a halt. So I have used this before, and it will definitely dry up oily skin. But I didn't have a lot of problems with it. Like, a lot of times things that are intended to dry up skin for breakouts usually don't necessarily do well on my skin because my skin's more on the drier side and I really don't have a lot of breakouts, so those kinds of products usually are too harsh for my skin. But I did actually really enjoy this, and I didn't experience any dryness in that way, so to speak. But let me rephrase that. It's more like one of those products I used on occasion. I didn't wear every day or use every day, so it didn't dry out my skin. But it will dry out your skin if you use it all the time because it is intended to clear up the oil. So that is it of my second box. My second box, I got the face wash, the shower gel, the blemish serum, the firming cream, the face mask, and the atmosphere pollution cream. So that is 6 products in the second box. I think it is pretty good, even though I don't really need blemishing products. I still think that's pretty good, and between the two, I feel like I got my money's worth. I think they're pretty good. I'm gonna stick with 2 boxes next month, and we will see how that goes. Anyways, that is it of this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what was your favorite product. What do you think of the 2 different boxes? Which one did you like the best? And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.